that. Boom. I think we might be back, bro. I think we might be back.
Was just thinking, look at what the fuck happened yesterday. The gold broke out of the.
Look at it.
There's a massive flag on the 1 hour chart, and it just went bang.
Yeah.
Once it broke out of it.
Well, it just shows there's a lot of volume back in the market again, man, which is good.
Yeah.
Yesterday was fucking great. Yesterday it ended up retracing and hitting the TP4. If we went the conservative move yesterday, we wouldn't have got stopped out on that position if we went this conservative area up here. But we didn't, but that's okay. So we could have potentially been looking at just taking profits yesterday. But that's all good, man. That's all good. It's no stress. So we'll go. Let me just quickly go. Well, I think we'll down there somewhere. I think we're a little bit higher. Anyway, so I'm going to do everything back to normal today. I'm not going to allow for, because that was a beautiful move that we got in the sell position. And then also look at all this volume that's come back into the market. Like, look at that, man. That's huge. Even at 5 o'clock, even the London Open, if you traded the London Open as well, you would have got a huge move. And then again with the Sydney Open this morning. Nice move on the Sydney Open as well. So that just tells me that there's volume back in the market, which is beautiful. So we're going to try and do everything back to the way we usually do today. And just see how it pans out, man.
I love it, man.
Let's go.
Right.
It's exciting.
I was watching yesterday. I was like, fuck, imagine if you got into that move. It was like a 28
this one here
to 1.
Where it just pumped up. Yeah, I know.
Just huge.
It's pretty good, wasn't it?
Huge.
It's pretty good. So now let's have a look in the 5 minute. I will be looking at nice and simple, man, that zone there. And I reckon probably maybe this zone here, depending what happens with these candles. We could potentially go to the top of that one there. But it is a bit of a manipulation candle. So I'm more inclined to go up this area here. Let me go a little bit bigger. Potentially look at something like this, I reckon, today. But yeah.
And your stop loss is a little bit bigger?
No, I'm leaving it. I'm going back to normal for today. Yeah, just going back to normal, 1.14, 1.18, whatever, just around that. In between 1.10 and 1.20, in between there somewhere. Anywhere in between there, man. But yeah, go back to normal today and just see how it all pans out. Hustle, if you want, I'll move it out here so you can see those zones properly. Oh, nah.
Yeah, sweet.
The only problem is...
Whatever.
Yeah. It won't work.
Hold it still for a sec. Hold it still.
Oh, 1 second, man. Let me just work it all out where I'm going to finalise this position. Yeah, I'm going to leave it like that. Leave it like that today. I'm just going to put these entries in now. But I ended up catching that sell, so that was good. Ended up making up for that loss. Closed at a 2 to 1. All right, I'm going to put this buy entry in. 3 3. I don't know if I can 8 3 3 8 7. $6.62.
Oh,
I've entered that buy. I'm going to enter the sell position now. Oh, shit. And even Bitcoin this morning too, man. Yesterday as well hit a 2 to 1, and then this morning I'm pretty sure it's hit a 2 to 1 as well.
Yeah.
So
That's awesome.
Might be I might muck around with that over the next couple of weeks, just out of curiosity and see what happens. And if it looks like it's profit, oh, yeah, I'm looking at it now. Smash the 2-1. It's sitting at it's sitting at a 4-1, so it actually hit a 4-1 this morning.
That's great.
On Bitcoin. So that's good to know, bro, because that'll be good to trade that while we've got these Bybit accounts still in the gold. Might be worth jumping in on that at 8 a.m. Doing that 8 a.m. breakout.
Yeah, I don't mind that idea as well.
And literally just like if we're not going to watch it, maybe just go for a 2-1 every time and just leave it at that. You know what I mean? Just let it.
Yeah.
Unless you watch it, Ed, and then just go, oh, fuck it, I'm going to let it ride. But yeah, the last 2 days, forward testing, it's hit a 2-1 both days, so that's cool. So it'd be up 4%.
Ah, awesome.
Yep. So that's pretty good. Low volume though, so I don't know what their spreads or slippage is like at that time. If you're doing it live, I'm not too sure. So we'd just have to experiment with that because there's not much volume in the market at that time. Might be a little bit higher. It's so shit how it works out like that.
Yeah, it's fun.
Isn't it? It's fucking ridiculous. Yeah, I find you get clean setups because there's less volume, but then you got to deal with all the other bullshit.
Yeah,
you know, it's fucking mate. Some fucking genius worked this system out pretty good.
Oh yeah.
We'll add spreads, and in these times we'll put slippage just to fuck them up just a little bit more.
Yeah.
And during these hours, we'll make their spreads tighter, but more volume in the market, so it's going to be fucking harder. It's fucking bullshit.
And we just sit back and we take all of their money, and they can get fucked.
Yeah, and we'll just let them fucking try and work it out. We'll fuck them emotionally until they crack and they break and they lose everything.
Yeah.
Anyway.
That's
2 more minutes. 2 minutes. Hopefully we get a nice push. It's a bit messy, this area here, so it's a bit hard to pick a point of where we may get reactions off on that buy.
Yeah.
And that's a manipulation, so it's not really a strong area. But it'd be nice to get up to there if we do get a breakout. We're going in balance here, right at TP1. Where'd my little finger go? There it is. Got that imbalance there. No, so we may get that, or we may just get faked out, or we may fucking pump. Who knows?
Yeah, who fucking knows?
Who fucking knows?
Not us.
No, that's for sure, mate. That is fucking for sure. Oh shit! You gonna jump in on something today? You gonna jump in today, Sam? Or?
I've put in on both positions. Again, just the small lot size to see how we go.
Yeah, same. I'm still doing small lot sizes too, bro. I'll probably do that. Yeah, see how it goes today, and then maybe tomorrow. If it looks good today, then maybe tomorrow I'll pump it up a little bit. See how we go.
Yeah, sweet.
Let's not break we don't want it to break above this level in the next 20 seconds. Hassel, do you need me to keep the screen still?
Yeah, if you can, man.
All right, sweet. That's a little bit far away, so we'll go when it hits that blue line. We are in.
A little bit.
Oh, that's all right. Oh, I was up all night last night with the rain. It was fucking hectic.
Yeah, it was fucking wild.
Yeah.
Really? I didn't even hear it.
You're lucky, mate. All right, we're on. The market is on. Tokyo is open. Let's see what it's got for us today. See what it wants to do. All right, I think that's in. We're in. Yep, we're on. Now, if this can just keep pushing for the next 4 minutes, life will be good. Oops. Oh, that's... Don't like that. We do not like it when it does that. We probably could have gone off that zone there. Doesn't matter. Is what it is. If we do get faked out on here, which it's not looking too good, if we do get faked out again on here, we will leave that sell position open, just like yesterday. And just I'll aim for a 2-to-1, just to make up for the loss and plus get a little bit of profit as well. So we'll see how it go. It's not looking nice. That'd be a pretty quick fake out though, but whatever. Mine's still in for some reason. I'm still on. I've got my stop loss.
My entry was bad then.
You're on Bybit, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm out now. Yep. Motherfucker, that was a real annoying fake out, that one. So hopefully we get pushed down to get that sell. We'll stay on for a bit. It looks like it wants to push, so
Yeah. Be 1 sec, boys. Just
yeah, no worries.
Wait quickly. 1 sec.
Yep, too easy, bro. We could have gone off that area there. Probably still would have got us though, I reckon. Maybe not quite. Maybe not quite. Yeah, we could have gone to that area there, which was where I was going. I was going to go off that, but because it's not that strong of a level, I didn't think it'd matter. I thought we'd be all right. This is a much stronger level here.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. Whoops. Oh, shit. What did I do? Oh, I don't know what I've done now. I think I've just closed everything off. Damn, man. All right. Shit. What's that? Yo. Sorry, man. I accidentally closed everything somehow. What chart am I on for that? I thought I was on 8K. There we go. Cool. Fake out city. It's not good. Yeah, see what happens on this sell position. Yesterday was good. Yesterday we got the fake out, but then we got a huge move on that sell. What have I got up here? I've got so much shit going on. Something's going on. Where is it, man? Fuck's sake. Come on, why is this doing this, man? Right. Oh, man. Okay. Now I've got to share this screen. All right, we're in that sell position now. Let's see how we go. Hopefully we can get a good push now and recover from that fake out. Would be nice.
That's beautiful.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Keep going.
All right, I am back, and I'm hoping that we don't get faked out on this one too.
Same, man. Same. That'd be terrible.
Yeah, it does.
It's really shit retracement though on that one. This 1 minute's not.
Yeah.
If we can tap that blue line and come back down, that level of support, we might be okay. But see how we go.
Yeah.
See how we go. Yeah, the good old double fake out wouldn't be nice. Oh.
No, we were so optimistic this morning as well.
I know, man. I know. We're back. Everything's back. We're fucking good to go. Yeah. Fucking that looks shit too. Nah, it's not looking good. Not looking good at all. Damn it. Keep pushing. Give us something. Yeah, I was just saying, hustle. We had that up here. We could have gone off that zone there, but because that's just such a manipulation candle, I didn't worry about it too much. This one's a lot cleaner.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It looks a lot better.
Yeah, that's a cleaner zone. Just is what it is, I guess. Well, when you jumped off, Sam, all hell broke loose. I accidentally closed everything. I had to restart it all, jump back in Discord,
Oh no.
get the chart back up, and the YouTube channel went down. I had to try and get that going back up as well. Got it all going. Entered the trade, and you jump back on. Like, okay, guys, sorry about that.
Yeah, I'm back. What happened when I was gone?
It's fucking chaos, mate. Chaos happened when you left. Absolute chaos. Everything went down. This is looking okay. This is looking good. We need to... All right, TP1, we can close there now and call it a break-even day. Or we can feel lucky and go for a bit of profit. I'm feeling lucky. I'm going for profit.
Yeah. Me too.
So we'll see how we go. We can close there now and say, all right, call it break-even. Right, we've got this zone now. Let's have a look. This level here to keep an eye on now. Pretty much that whole zone there. If we can break through there, that would be really, really nice. If we don't get too much of a retracement.
That off.
That's ugly, bro. That is ugly. If we cross back above here, then I'd be more inclined to say that we're going to reverse.
Yeah.
Which it looks like it's doing. Look at that 1 minute. Yeah, that 1 minute closes above there. If it doesn't tap into that and retrace back down, then I'd say that's out. Don't break it. Don't break it. We've resorted to this, going to the 1 minute and just watching the 1 minute now. Okay, now. Be bearish. Be bearish. Don't go up. Don't go up. It's going up. It's going up. Motherfucker. Come on. There's nothing for it to retrace off now, so I reckon that's going to definitely, that's stopped there. That's it. That's it, bro.
Yeah.
The next level's for it to retrace off is here.
Yeah.
Oops, doesn't look like it wants to, it's going to do that though. What a piece of shite. What a piece of shite. Yep. Oh well, fucking is what it is, mate.
You know what we should do tomorrow? What's that? a sell entry where a buy entry is and stop loss at TP1 on the buy and then watch
Oh
it
yeah.
trace and get
Oh yeah, and then try to do the same thing here. Look, if this continues down, I don't ever do this, but I might re-enter that, man. I don't ever do it, but just
Yeah.
because of I'm going to see how this closes. If this can, because this could have just been a good old fashioned fucking got you by a bee's dick, and now I'm going to fucking continue down, you know?
Yeah.
I'm re-entering that just because the lot sizes are small. All right, I'm doing
Yeah.
it. Let's go. Let's go. I'm in. Yeah, I'm in. I never do it. I shouldn't do it, and that's really bad trading. But it looks like it wants to push.
Yeah, it does. I'm gonna watch as well. I'm interested.
So I actually entered there. I've entered there. Keep going. And then if this one fails, that's it. Leave it. Leave it for tomorrow.
Yeah, another day.
Yeah. Fuck. The charts are getting the best of me, mate. I'll never do that shit.
Yeah, mate.
Alright.
Been rough.
TP1. TP1. Let's go. At TP2 I'm break even. TP3 I'm at profit. So I really want it to at least get to here. Oh. Keep pushing. Keep pushing, you son of a gun. Let's go.
Just do it.
Push, 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 push. This level. It needs to break this level here. If this candle can close below that, should be good to take some profits today. Maybe tomorrow we'll do the same setup, but we'll just do a bigger stop loss tomorrow.
Yeah.
Until these markets want to work out what the fuck they're doing.
Yeah, man.
Like I was saying, the last couple of months when we've been absolutely destroying it, hitting 5-to-1s nearly every day. Another group I was still in a couple of other Telegram groups. Another group I was in, man, who they usually fucking kill it. More swing trading, dude. They were just like losing. Like
Oh, really?
they trade like 1 or 2 trades a week. Bang, keep going. All right, I'm at break even. I can close there at break even, or I can be a little bit. You know what? I will call it greedy. I'll be a little bit greedy and try and hit a TP3. Or I can call it break even. Yeah, they do like 1 to 2 trades a day, and man, like for like nearly 2 months, they'll just like losing every single trade. Look at that. It's doing exactly what it done on the last candle.
That motherfucker. There's so many wicks at the moment, man. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. It's weird. It's full on. It's like, fuck you, fuck you. TP2 hit, at least on that. Could have closed at a break even day. Let's see. 10-15. And it didn't close below that level, which is shit. We wanted it, ideally it would have been nice to close below this. Alright, keep going. Come on. Come on. Push past it.
Yeah, there's a bit of. I'm just on the 15. Actually, what am I even on here? I know that is the fuck. There is all that noise there on the left. If it pushes through that, I reckon you'd be right to go to it.
TP5.
Probably 372. Yeah, at least.
What do you say, mate? Should I just fucking risk it for the biscuit today and just go the whole way?
Just let it fucking roll.
Just let it ride.
Let it ride.
See how this candle closes. And look, this is good because we've still got 4 minutes for this candle. So if it can keep pushing and not do what they just fucking done then, if it can keep going, I'm gonna close. I will close at a TP3, I reckon, so I can at least finish in some profit today.
Yep.
Or take another loss, and that's 3 losses, and then fucking call it a day and come back tomorrow. But I'm definitely going to look at the trade in the Bitcoin in the morning.
Oh yeah, at 8 o'clock.
Yeah, I'm going to do that. I reckon I'll put one on tomorrow because now I've got cash in that Bybit account. Or yeah, shit, I reckon I'll do it. Just aim for 2 to 1s.
Yeah, nice.
Literally just go for a 2 to 1 every day. Yeah, sweet, dude.
Yeah. Be on in the, I technically start work at 8 o'clock, but working from home, so I can do what I like.
Yep.
I'd much rather be trading than working.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. I might not be able to be on the computer though, because I'll get my daughter ready for school, but I might just place it, man. You know, you'll do the same, yeah. Like just place the resistance and support and just see how we go. Yeah. I was doing stop losses at 2 for Bitcoin. You could probably go a little bit more. Let's have a look.
Massive breakout this morning.
Yeah, it was good, man. So I've actually marked it up. This one, there you go. I marked it up there. So there's the 8 o'clock. So there was a level of resistance, and then I set this at 194 or 2, whatever, 200. Set it 200 and just go 2 to 1. I mean, you can hold it longer if you want, but I might just trial 2 to 1s every day and just see what happens in the long run. See how it works out in the long run.
Bad idea, man. It looks like the move, the price action there is a little bit cleaner.
That is very clean, isn't it? That's what we want with gold, man. That is very, very clean. That's nice. And then even yesterday, I think I fucked with the London Open too, just to see how that played out, and it actually played out really good. Went off this level there. So even for the London session, which was here, so I went off that zone and went off that zone. Both of them played out. It's good. And then yesterday morning too. So 2 to 1, 2 to 1, 2 to 1, 2 to 1. It's just moving a lot cleaner at the moment.
Yeah, it is. What chart are you using for?
Oh, fucking yes. Boom. I'm closing it right now. Okay, hold a sec. Done. Yeah. Woo! That's what we want. Fucking boom. TP5. Ugh. All right, tomorrow what we'll do, I'm really happy I re-entered that, but that's not good trading, so we don't want to be doing that shit. We don't want to be doing that shit, man.
You reckon we wait until 10:05? I swear this has happened. Like the first candle fucking fakes us out, and then.
Yep. All right, let's do that tomorrow. Let's do that. Let's wait. And we'll just see. Again, man, we're just going to try and adapt to what the markets are doing. That's fucking. I'm so happy that happened. Yeah. Or if we went for a 200 pip stop loss, we would have been okay. As well, you know what I mean? We would have been all right, and then we still would take profits at the same zones, just not quite a 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1. But it still take profit levels, and we would have been okay with that position there.
Yeah.
So we can probably try both tomorrow, man. I just don't like missing the move. Like if we get a good move right at the open. Yeah. Fuck, I'm glad that came through. So maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll do just the biggest stop loss. Because if we did have that biggest stop loss, we would have hit that. Or if we just want to do proper 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, then we can just not try and just don't aim for a 5 to 1. Maybe we just do something like this.
Yeah.
Just go for a 3-1 on that position, something like that. You know what I mean? Don't worry about these two.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't mind that either, actually.
Yeah,
That's probably a good idea.
yeah,
I
right.
think that's a good idea at the moment.
Yeah, we'll do a
Yeah.
bigger stop loss
Bigger
tomorrow,
stop loss.
and we'll only aim for a TP3. We won't worry about the 4 and 5.
Yeah.
Just why the market's like this, because
Is
if
it,
you go,
we'll go for it, like a 200 pip stop loss.
yeah, 200 pip stop loss. Yeah,
Yes, sweet. I like that.
yeah, I think so, man. That's good because even with this, it was 200. Yeah, cool, whatever. You know what? We probably wouldn't have even entered that. No, we probably would have. Let's have a look. We would have gone 200 and then gone halfway. Yeah, we still would have just got tapped in on that. Just. Yeah, we would hit that still. Because that would have protected us from that first position there.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's do that. Let's do that tomorrow, man. We'll just do a TP3. We'll do a 200 pip stop loss. And we'll just see how that pans out. But I'm fucking very happy that came through.
Yeah.
On that one.
I like that.
Cool. Is there anything else you want to go over? I mean, that was pretty. Want to look back at Bitcoin. So what do you reckon? Jumping on the Bitcoin?
Yeah, I will. I'll jump on that at 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
And then I'll see. I've got to figure out what chart to use because the Pepperstone and Bybit are going to. I'll just use Bybit directly.
Yeah.
USDT.
I couldn't find. Actually, I couldn't find them, man. I could find. Oh, there they are. Futures. Is it futures for?
It's so Bitcoin to USDT because it's tether. US dollar.
Yeah.
That's a much better chart.
Okay. Let's see what chart I was on that one. All right, so Bitcoin USDT, cool. Look at that, man. And
Yeah.
look, I guess the good thing with Bitcoin, once it runs, like once it gets momentum, it fucking moves.
Yeah.
Like look at that. This morning, if we're still holding this position open from this morning, you know, we're nearly at a 6-1.
Yeah. It literally nearly got stopped out, but it went all the way. But look at it going. It's fucking pumping, man.
Yesterday we got a 5-1 on the buy and a 5-1 on the sell. We would have got stopped out on this one if we were trying to hold a 5-1. So look, I think 2-1s are safe.
Yeah.
They're a safe bet. But fuck, man, the way it's moving,
That's ridiculous.
we'll just jump in tomorrow and play it by ear.
My fucking indicator, which one is it? Yeah, one of my indicators works really well for Bitcoin too. So if I'm just looking at the 8 o'clock open and I got a green buy signal right on 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Bitcoin. So it's kind of
Right there.
extra confluence. Yeah.
Yeah, all right, sweet, bro. That's good.
Right, yeah. So,
Okay.
yeah, we can add that to
How-
our arsenal of getting fucking smashed by the Giants.
yeah, fucking oath. No, what a fucking cunt. What a cunt. That's all right. That's good, man. Let's do that then. I'll mark it up, and then when we jump on stream, we'll go over it. So I'm gonna chuck a trade on Bitcoin tomorrow morning. And then when we jump on this stream, we'll fucking see how it panned out and see how it works with your indicator, man. Yeah, that'd be cool. That'd be really cool to see.
Well, it'll be interesting as well to see how the fees go because obviously the 0.055% fee of the total position size. If you don't take profit at the right level, you end up just like you're breaking even because of the fees. So
Okay.
to account for that as well.
All right. So I wonder if we just go small lot sizes and aim for a 2-1, and see how that works out. Because we'll probably hit that more often.
Yeah, I reckon.
So maybe we'll do that. And then on the chart for gold tomorrow, we'll do a 200 pip stop loss, and just continue doing exactly what we're doing, man.
Yeah.
With that, fuck it.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, sweet as.
Got to try.
Yeah, that's it, bro. That's it.
All right, I will catch you fellas tomorrow.
Oh man, see you then.
Catch you later. See you boys.
See ya. Bye.
Yeah.
All right, so I haven't been able to get a haven't been able to get the camera working today, so my bad for that. But it was good. We ended up hitting a TP5 eventually. So we took a loss on the buy position. We took a loss on the sell position. And then I re-entered on the sell again as I was pushing down. Managed to hit a 5-1, which is great. So again, another profitable day. If you did lose on the first position and close at a 5-1, you're up 3%. I actually closed at a TP4 on that. So I was up 2% for the day. So still profitable for the day. I don't advise doing that. Like that, my strategy is if you take the buy, you lose, you take the sell, you lose, you come back tomorrow. But because it was pushing, it did look like there was a lot of selling pressure in the market. I was happy to jump in on that. But tomorrow, we'll come back because of all these fake outs we've been getting. We'll set bigger stop losses, 200 pip stop losses, and then we'll go again. See you all tomorrow.